said I wasn't gonna be buying no more Louis this year, but your girl lied. I lied. Hello YouTube, my name is Jas. So today, y'all, I said I wasn't gonna be buying no more Louis this year, but your girl lied. I lied. I'm about to go pick up this package. So y'all, this is gonna be my first time owning this type of print from Louis. I'm really just getting it to test it out, and I really got it just because I see that this item is never really available. So when I saw it was available on the site, add to cart, purchase, and worry about it later. So I'm about to go pick it up. So y'all gonna see it at the end of the video. I'm excited about it, but I'm kind of on the fence about this print. But you know, I just got to see what it's talking about. I got to see what all the hype about because everybody keep talking about it. So let's go get it. So y'all know while I was in here, I had to do some shopping, right? I saw everything. Like they go to Kirigami. I also saw the on the go in the unprint leather as well as in the monogram canvas. And I asked to try on the go. And so the sales associate did give it to me. And so look how beautiful it is, y'all. It goes on the shoulder, but this one is too big for my frame. I asked for the MM size, and so that one's the one in the unprint leather. And look how nice this bag is, but it is too expensive for me right now. All right, y'all, I got my package. I cannot wait to get this home and show it to y'all, but I will tell you, this location had everything. When I tell you it had the pochette Matisse in monogram and in reverse monogram, it had the undergo MM in there. It also had the unprint leather one, which I was like, dang, this is really pretty. It also had the mini pochette in there. Like, how often will you see the mini pochette like in the store in the monogram? I was like, dang, y'all really got everything. And you know, this was the store that I got my mini pochette from, so I guess they just be getting them like that. Another thing it had in there was the key clay. It had all the key rings in there. They had everything. So next time I'm really looking for something that's hard to find, I'm just walking in the store because they had everything in there. But y'all, I'm gonna get this home and then I'm gonna unbox it for y'all so y'all can see what I'm adding to my collection. And fair warning, it ain't a bag. Okay, your girl is broke and it's almost Christmas, so it's not a bag, but it's something that will go inside of the bag. So that gives y'all a big clue right there. All right, y'all, so we are about to unbox this. As you can see, it comes with a regular bag, and inside the bag it has this that comes with like the receipt. So here's all the paperwork. All right, so as you can see, here's everything that it comes with: the exchange policy and the actual receipt. And then we're gonna get into this. So I did hear they're not doing the ribbon anymore. I know some people are mad about that, but I really don't care. So I told y'all it was gonna be small, right? So here we go. The little small desk bag. And here it is. Now, for those who don't know, this is the reverse monogram card holder. And I kind of been wanting one just because it gives a different flavor to the monogram print, and it just kind of makes it more versatile depending on what you're wearing. But the other side is just like, you know, the regular monogram. And I just think, you know, this is a good introductory piece to this print just because, you know, I wasn't really sure if I was gonna like it. So with this, I'm just trying it out. So I don't know if y'all can see that really. Hopefully it'll catch it, but it has the Louis Vuitton on the inside as well as some paperwork here. And I really want to try this out because I've been seeing a lot about it. But here are the sides. And I'm actually going to do a size comparison with something that I already own so y'all can see what it looks like next to something else. So here is my mini pochette. So as you can see, this is gonna fit snugly on the inside. So overall, I'm happy with it. I told y'all it wasn't gonna be no bag because I am broke and it is time for Christmas, but I did wanna grab this while it was available. All right, YouTube, that's pretty much all that I have on that review. Let me know what y'all think about that print, the reverse monogram. I think it's super dope because it gives a little flavor to the regular monogram print, but I know some other people like more classic print. So just let me know what y'all think about the card holder. I honestly broke one of my own rules by purchasing that just because I always said that I would never buy something that expensive to go on the inside of my bag. But I just had to have it. Like, I just had to have it while it was available. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something so you don't miss something. And I will see y'all in my next video.